Hi everyone! Welcome back. In this video, we share a delicious chicken karahi recipe. It is a popular Pakistani and North Indian dish. The main difference is that the Pakistani version does not have onions, which is the one we made. The dish is prepared in a karahi or wok, hence the name. Add the rinsed chicken to the oil and fry to release some of the water. Once fried, remove the chicken into a separate dish and prepare the curry. In the same oil, add the chopped tomatoes, grated ginger, and garlic cloves. To this, add the spices, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, salt, and garam masala. Leave this on medium heat and let the flavors really fuse. Once the curry sauce starts to thicken, add the chicken back to the karahi. Keep stirring occasionally. The oil should start to separate and form bubbles. The curry sauce needs to thicken. Reduce the heat, cover the pan and simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the liquid is mostly absorbed. We let it cook on a lower heat for 25 minutes. Your chicken curry dish is now ready. Garnish with fresh cilantro. You can enjoy this tasty chicken curry with rice, naan, or as we did, fresh homemade roti. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by clicking on the like button and also subscribing. Thanks for watching!